How to hide online status on your Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your online status on your Instagram so that you can appear offline even when you are online on Instagram. So to do that, first of all, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, simply navigate over to your profile by tapping this option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to your settings page where on the top right corner of your screen you can see three horizontal lines. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on the option settings. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option privacy. Now there you can see the option activity status, which is right over here. Simply tap on it. After that, you will be taken to this page where by default this feature is turned on, so this means that your activity status is shown and other people will see your activity status, meaning they will see that whether you are online or offline. So in order to hide your online status, all you have to do is simply untoggle this bar right over here, and then even when you are online, other people will see you as offline. So that is basically how you hide your online status on your Instagram. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.